I'm retorquing my headset. So when I was doing the valve cover gasket, before I drove this thing to the shootout, I was doing some maintenance, replaced the valve cover gasket, and then while I was in here, I noticed that I was taking a look at the ARP headsets that were here installed by the previous owner. I don't know if you can see this, but these two headsets right here, for example, that one right there is pushed all the way in, into the block, the way it should be. And this one over here is not. It's backed out. This one as well. That one too. This one. That one right there as well. I think this one too. Anyways, they're not pushed. Not all of them are pushed all the way in. And with the new setup that I plan to run, if I don't retorque these and install them properly all the way down to secure the head to the block, I run the risk of lifting the head once I start running big boy boost. So I'm out here retorquing these things. I'm doing them one by one. I loosen the nut, and I have this Allen key. Okay, there you go. You put the Allen key, and then you just drive them into the block slowly and carefully. Finally, just finished torquing down the last head stud. They're all pushed in all the way now, so for the most part everything went smooth with the exception of that fucker right there. I began to round out the Allen hole on the stud itself. As soon as that happened, I had gotten the stud almost all the way in, so I stopped right there and I just torqued the nut, and I just left it like that. I didn't want to continue rounding out anything. Should be fine though. Every other one is torqued down perfectly. The head stud went in all the way it should be. Everything else turned out fine, so I'm about getting ready to install the valve cover back on. Need to clean up that excess RTV that I had on there, and then should be good to go. So happy to report headsets are installed properly, ready for some boost. Currently working on the GSX. I'll be changing out this turbo setup. I have a small 16G currently. I'll be putting this whole set of HX35. So you can see I've already started taking this thing apart. Took the intake off, heat shields, these are stock heat shields. Working on the stock manifold now. I just removed the downpipe from the O2 housing. I'm working on these nuts right now, getting those off. I'm going to be taking off the whole 16G stock manifold and O2 housing as a one piece. I'm going to be taking it all out. And we need to assemble the manifold that's going to go with this, which is I believe a T3. and then slapping that on. Hopefully my motor's stock, so is my transmission. Hopefully this shit will hold. I do not want to blow this up, but only time will tell. Okay, so 16G turbo is almost ready to come off. I need to remove the oil return and oil feed from underneath. This is the new setup that I'm going to be assembling shortly. This manifold I'm going to be running. It's a Punishment Racing. Okay, I just finished removing the 16G. Look at this the size difference. For the new 16G. Let me go to this whole set. These are enormous. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to dent the water pipe yet. Hopefully not. Also, I think I'm gonna have to change the downpipe. So this is a, I believe, 2.5 and then turns into 3 inches. I have another one that's 3 inches all the way back, and it works well with O2 housing that I have. The reason why I have this one on here is because it worked better with this O2 housing here. But yeah, if I can get a 3 inch all the way from O2 housing all the way back, that'll be better. I'm gonna test fit that now, and hopefully I can upgrade that too.